Hi besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. Happy Vlogmas. I hope you guys have been enjoying the daily videos. I'm so excited to share with you guys a holiday bracelet making video. I thought we could use some clay beads. I don't know if I've ever used clay beads on this channel, but these videos are some of my most popular videos, which is seriously so crazy to me. So thank you for watching. If you guys like content like this, I have a whole second channel called Kellyprepster Studio where I'm currently uploading daily videos and doing my own version of Vlogmas called BEADED, where I share videos making bracelets and share videos that show the behind the scenes of my small business, Kellyprepsterstudio.com, which is always linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get all of the bracelet making supplies out, and we're going to make some cute holiday bracelets today. Of course, we are going to need some scissors. These are my favorite little kid scissors that I've had forever. I find that they just work really well for making bracelets. We're also going to need some elastic. This is my favorite currently. It's by Stretch Magic. It is the 0.5 millimeter and it's just a clear elastic. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you know I love using these clear trays. They just came on top of my pony bead trays back in the day. I don't think they sell them like this anymore, but they are 7 inches across and it's how I measure all of my bracelets. Along with that, we're going to be using my bead spinner, and I'm kind of embarrassed. I left all of these pink beads in here, so we're gonna have to empty this out, but we're also going to be using a beading hook needle. This came with my bead spinner. I will have all of this stuff linked down below in my Amazon storefront. And lastly, we are going to need some clay beads. These are my clay bead kits. I have 4 of them. The containers are from Joann Fabrics, and then the beads are from Amazon. I buy like the string beads and then cut them and organize them by color. So let's get them all out. I really did think it would be a lot of fun to write holiday phrases on all of these holiday bracelets. So we're also going to get my letter beads out that are from Walmart. They're from the brand Hello Hobby, so let me show them to you. They are in my most filled bead drawer. I have a whole bead collection video on my second channel, you guys. I have embraced being the bead lady. So these are my letter beads from the brand Hello Hobby. They come in little pouch bags, and I've reused some of these pony bead containers to alphabetize all of them. And on top of that, I think we're going to use this gold spacer kit. This is from Amazon, and I love these little ones on the end. If you guys are making bracelets with me, feel free to recreate any of the bracelets that I make. I think it's so much fun, and I love sharing my bracelet ideas with you guys. Now, if you watch my other channel, you know we have our hashtag Bead Buddies. So if you are coming from my second channel, Kellyprepster Studio, let me know in the comments down below. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and we're going to put my headphones on because I'm going to listen to an audiobook. That way you guys can get all the crispy ASMR sounds. It's gonna be so satisfying and so much fun. Okay, so I picked out all of the letters. Ho Ho, Merry, Vlogmas, Beadmas, Snow, and Frosty. So I think we're done with the letter beads. I'm going to close this up. And we're going to pick out some of the clay beads. Now typically I like when I do pony beads to put a bead next to it, but when I do clay beads, especially with the bead spinner, I like to mix multiple colors. So you guys will see that. It's going to look so cute. A few of these are probably going to be the same color combos because you have to put a lot of beads in the bead spinner, but I love this thing so much. I feel like the bracelets are so preppy. Oh my gosh, you guys, we made so many bracelets. So we have Noel, Beadmas, Ho Ho Ho, there we go, Frosty, Vlogmas. I felt like this one needed to be pink since I love pink. We have Holly, Cheer, Mary, and then this one says Snow, and this one says Santa. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Seriously had so much fun making all of these bracelets. Let me know in the comments down below which bracelet was your favorite, and if you're coming from my second channel, be sure to use our hashtag Bead Buddies in the comments down below. I love chit-chatting with you guys, and I do read and respond back to every single comment. If you want to see more videos like this, again, be sure to check out my second channel, Kellyprepster Studio, and give this video a big thumbs up and I can film another one. But thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously the best, and Merry Vlogmas. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season so far. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with another Vlogmas video. Bye, besties!